Hey everybody, little quick update on the Ratrod project. Still working on the motorhome. Got everything torn off all the way up to the cab here. So that's this weekend's project. So currently I'm just trying to strip the floor, got the passenger seat out, and working on this this cubby. Apparently this is welded right here to the base, and I think this is all steel under here. So I'm working on getting the carpet off, then I'll get the wood off, and I'll see what kind of steel we got left out over underneath there. And yeah, so I'll do a couple videos as we progress. I'm gonna try to save the windshield. I'm gonna pull these windows out. I got a buddy coming over tomorrow to help me cut this top off. It's probably going to need a couple of hands. Okay, got the roof off, the windshield out. Going to hack up all this metal, get that off of there, down to the dashboard. Okay, overview of what I've got accomplished this weekend. Just a few thoughts and ideas here. I got propane tank, which I may use as a propane tank on the vehicle, or it'll be an air tank. Got to finish cutting all this so I can get to the suspension, so I can see what I have to do to get that to work right. Still have to cut the nose off. I'm going to get inside here and cut it right at that thing there and get it up to this point here, and take the bumper off. You see that the actual frame rail stops, and then this is inserted and bolted in place, so I'll get all that off of there. That'll shorten it up about 12 inches in the front, and then if I measure all the way back to here, which is where I'm going to cut the frame here, I'm at about 21 feet. So I'm going to have to rearrange some stuff in the garage to get that to fit in there. Okay, so looking at this, obviously the back is higher than the front, and I did some rough measurements off this dirt driveway. I need to drop the rear about 4 inches to make the frame level. So just so happens, a couple weeks ago I bought this at a garage sale. It's a trailer drop shackle, and this is a 2-inch or 3-inch drop, more than what I've already got. So right there you can see I'm going to install that, and that'll drop me about 2 more, or actually drop me 3 inches. So that'll get us almost there. And then I figured by the time I take off this helper set of springs and maybe remove 1 or 2 of those leaves there that fill the gas tank full of gas and have the body on, that should make up the other inch. So it'll be pretty close. And even if it's an inch higher in the back, that's not that big of a deal, at least right now. Because I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to build the body, and I'm going to set it on the frame as is, and then get everything in working condition. I'll get that body tuned in, the doors and the steering and all that, and then what I'm going to do is drive it like that for the first year, come back the following year, and then I will Z-cut the frame and drop that. I'll airbag the rear and do something with the front end here, whether I use the twin I-beam or do something different with the front axle. But in any event, to get this thing to bag and lay on the floor or lay on the ground, I have to bring this axle forward to here. So that's what I'm dealing with. That's how far I got, and there's a lot left to do, but I think I got most of the crappy work out of the way. Do some designing, do some figuring, go through my parts, get this thing in the garage, and start fabricating the body. wanted the body to be 8 foot, and that gives us the cowling 12 inches. The front door is 3 foot, the rear door is 3 foot, and I'm thinking about doing a suicide door on the rear, and then the rear of the cab 12 inches where like the backrest would be, and then that total would be 8 foot. Front of where the firewall is, right around where the engine bolts the transmission, that's about this location here. And if I go from there to back here, 8 foot is right in this ballpark here. I was hoping that the back of the cab would be right here. So I may have to cut and shorten the frame ever so slightly. But that'll be okay, it won't be that hard, because they have butt welded this channel in the middle here, and then they overlaid the C channel and welded that in place. So all I got to do is cut these marks here, pull that off of there. I'll show you see how they did it on this side. And then on the inside, right there's that butt weld. So all I have to do is grind all those welds, take that C channel off of there, cut out however much I need, butt weld it back together, and then overlay this channel back over it again. So not that big of a deal, won't be too awfully hard. Yeah, I got most of everything I need to do this build. Alright, well, that'll be about it for this video. I gotta hack some more of this cab off of here, and then we'll go from there, get it in the garage. But alright, well, see you guys on the next video. Thanks. Bye.